Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Agaz Agri Jackson. Today we will discuss about fruits and their propagation methods. The topic is very important for ICAR, JRF, SRF, PHU, UP Cadet and other agricultural competitive exams. Hence you have to get fully involved with us during this video session, and I am sure that this video session will be better for you and provide more than enough knowledge and information required by you. This is Aman Kumar Maurya. If you want to join us on Instagram, so follow us on Instagram at @AgriHindustan. The first is acid lime. Acid lime propagated by seed, Cape gooseberry propagated by seed, coconut propagated by seed, Erica nut propagated by seed, papaya is propagated by seed, passion fruit propagated by seed, and falsa is propagated by seed. All these fruit crops are propagated by seed propagation. The next one is Karonda. Karonda is propagated by seed and hardwood cutting. Mangosteen propagated by seed and enarching. Pomelo is propagated by seed and tea budding. Wood apple propagated by seed and in situ budding. Next one is oil palm is propagated by seed. Cocoa is propagated by seed. The cocoa propagation is very important and it is propagated by seed. It is asked in several times JRF exams. The next one is coffee. Coffee is propagated by seed. Next, fig is propagated by hardwood cutting. Grape is propagated by hardwood cutting. The grape propagation is very important and it is several times asked in JRF exams. The next one is pomegranate. Pomegranate propagated by hardwood cutting and air layering both. Next one is tea. Tea is propagated by softwood cutting and leaf node cutting. Tea propagation is very important. This is asked several times in JRF exams and other agricultural competitive exams like BHU, UP Cadet. Next one is lemon is propagated by air layering and seed. Lemon is propagated by air layering and seed. The next one is lychee is propagated by air layering. Avocado propagated by air layering. Cherry is propagated by air layering. Guava is propagated by stooling. And banana is propagated by sword sucker. Banana propagation is very important. Next one is date palm propagated by offshoot suckers. It is very important. And banana and pineapple propagation is very important. Pineapple propagated by suckers and sleeves. Next one is strawberry propagated by runners. Almond propagated by tea budding. Amla is propagated by tea budding or patch budding. Bale is propagated by patch budding. Bear is propagated by ring and tea budding. Bear propagation is very important. And the next one is custard apple propagated by tea budding. Grapefruit propagated by tea budding. Jamun is propagated by sealed and patch budding. Mandarin propagated by tea budding. Sweet orange propagated by tea budding. And peach is propagated by tea budding. Plum propagated by tea budding. Olive is propagated by tea budding. These all fruits are propagated by tea budding. Next one is pecan nut is propagated by patch budding. Pecan nut is propagated by patch budding. Next one is rubber is propagated by forked budding. This is very important. Apple is propagated by tongue grafting. This is also very important. Pear is propagated by tongue grafting. Apricot is propagated by tongue grafting. And the very important cashew nut is propagated by softwood grafting. Cashew nut propagated by softwood grafting, several times asked in JRF exams. Next one is jackfruit is propagated by enarching. Locust is propagated by enarching, as well as sapota is propagated by enarching. And the next one is mango is propagated by veneer grafting. Very simple and very important question. Next one is persimmon. It is propagated by crown grafting.